Raise your hand if you've ever opened your email and seen, "Final reminder, your college application is due tomorrow." But guess what? After helping 1000 plus students crush their applications, I've cracked the code to never missing a deadline. And I'm giving you the full system in under just 6 minutes. Let's go. Part 1. Create your master deadline. First, you need one place to track everything. Not your brain, not 12 sticky notes, a master calendar. This is your mission control. Everything important goes here. What to include? College deadlines, RD, ED, EA or rolling, SAT, ACT test dates plus registration deadlines. Financial aid, FAFSA that opens on October 1, CSS Profile and scholarship. Recommendation letters, request plus follow-up dates. Essays, drafting, editing, submission. Transcripts, request deadlines. Create one tab per college or sort by task. Color code it, make it visual. Part 2. Month by month timeline plus set smart reminders. Most students start way too late. Here's what your year could look like if you're applying for RD. Adjust if you're doing ED or EA. Key phrases. Summer, before your senior year. Write essays versus sunburn. May to July. Finalize your college list. Research deadlines plus requirements. Start SAT, ACT preparation or retakes. Brainstorm essay topics. Join internships or volunteer program. August to September. Open Common App, Collation app. Write your personal statement. Ask for letters of recommendation. Please do register for final SAT or ACT attempt, October to November. Submit EDs or EA application November 1 or November 15. Request official transcript. Finalize and polish supplemental essays. Complete FAFSA plus CSS profile. December to January. Submit regular decision application from January 1st to January 15th. Apply for scholarships in this period. February to April. Prepare for interviews. Monitor portals for missing documents. Track decision release dates. May to June. Make your final choice. Submit deposit. Apply for housing and visas if needed. Please do set digital reminders 1 to 2 weeks before the actual deadline. Applications like Google Calendar, Notion or Todoist work great. Add fake internal deadlines like 7 to 10 days early. Turn big tasks into mini deadlines like finish first essay draft or ask counselors for transcript. If you follow this approach, you will realize that you still have some time. Well, this time is your safety net for slow Wi-Fi, technical glitches or last-minute changes. Part 3. Tech hacks and accountability. Well, did you know that your phone could do the heavy lifting? These are the things that you can try. Trello boards. Drag Common App essay to done. Google alerts. Ping sound college change deadline. You'll know first. Well, you can also have a deadline buddy with whom you can share the timelines and discuss whether you've submitted or not. Well, you don't have to do this alone. Share a calendar with your parents or counselor. Also, please do weekly check-ins. Pair up with a friend for mutual progress tracking. Well, you can also ask your mom to remind you to apply. Might just be the reason you get into Columbia. Part 4. Triple check everything. Now, before every submission, please do check the following. Test score sent, essays uploaded in correct format, LOR submitted, transcript requested, confirmation email saved. Well, treat each application like a plane ticket. Would you fly without confirming your seat? Exactly. Part 5. Understand the deadline types. ED or early decision. It is binding, apply early, get results early, great for dream schools. EA, early action. Non-binding, get results early, still have options. RD. Most common, January 1 to January 15 deadline. Rolling admission or RA, first come first serve. Apply ASAP. We've already created a detailed list on these deadlines, so please do check it out. Well, your strategy depends upon these, so know the difference and plan smart. Part 6. Deadly mistakes to avoid. Well, over the years, I've seen a lot of students commit these mistakes. 1. Assume all colleges use Common App. 2. Forget time zones. Clock is ticking. 3. Ignore portals after submitting. See, college applications can feel like a race against time. But with this system, you will be a calm kid sipping coffee while everyone else is crying over their CSS profiles. Deadlines would not control you. You will control them. Well, smash that like and subscribe for more life-saving guides. You've got this.